Landice L7, L8, and L9 Treadmill 90 Series handrail replacement video. Before you begin, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The following tools are recommended for this procedure. Step 1. Replacing the standard handrails. Locate the new standard handrails. The inside covers are shipped and attached to the handrails. The inside covers need to be removed before installing the handrails. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the 3 screws and place them aside for now. Slide the inside covers off. Next, locate the main assembly. If you have not done so already, remove the old standard handrails. Next, slide the handrail onto the bracket found on the upright. Make sure to align the handrail parallel to the upright, as shown. On the inside of the bracket, secure the handrail using 6 M8x15 socket head cap screws found in the 90 series hardware kit. Hand tighten all screws first, then fully tighten all screws using a 6mm hex wrench. Proceed by installing the inner handrail cover. Slowly push it into place. Secure the cover using the previously removed M5x15 socket head cap screws. Hand tighten the top screw first, followed by the 2 bottom screws. Then fully tighten all screws using a 4mm hex wrench. Finally, repeat the same steps on the opposite side and attach the right handrail. Standard handrail installation is now complete. Step 2. Installing the optional medical rail. This step is only if your treadmill was purchased with the optional medical rail option. Begin by separating both medical rail covers. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the 7 M5 socket head cap screws holding each cover assembly together. Separate each set of covers and save the hardware for later reuse. Repeat steps for both covers. Next, locate the medical rail bracket and insert it into the open end of the crossbar. Secure the bracket in place using a 1/4x20 Phillips screw. Tighten the screw using a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. After the bracket is secured, attach the medical rail to the frame. Slowly push the medical rail in place with the bottom plate matching the pre-drilled holes on the frame. Locate the bottom end of the rail, and attach the rail using 2 1/4x20 self-tapping screws. Partially hand tighten the screws for now. Next, attach the top part of the medical rail to the medical rail bracket using a 5/16" hex bolt with a lock washer. Use a wrench with a 1/2" socket to tighten the bolt. Go back, and fully secure the bottom screws with a Phillips cross-tip screwdriver. Once the medical rail is secured, attach the covers. First, attach the left outside cover to the medical rail. Slowly push the cover in place matching the upright bracket holes. If the covers do not align or fit together properly, loosen the hex bolt, adjust the rail inward and tighten. Secure the cover using 6 M8x16 socket head cap screws found in the 90 series hardware kit. Insert the screws through the upright mounting bracket into the corresponding threaded holes on the outside cover. Be certain to start all 6 screws by hand prior to tightening. Then, fully tighten all screws using a 6mm Allen wrench. After the outside cover is secured, attach the inner left covers that were previously removed. Slowly push the covers into place. Next, secure the inner covers using the previously removed M5 socket head cap screws. Hand tighten the screws first, then fully tighten all screws using a 4mm Allen wrench. Repeat these steps for the opposite side and attach the right medical handrail and covers. The optional medical rail installation is now complete. Before using the machine, double check, and make sure all connections are tight. Give us a call or visit us online for more information. Brought to you by Landice.